Wolfie boy, the axe came slashing straight through your flank and out the other side. The ogre then with his shield came bashing till your flesh was parted from your hide. But though we crushed the ogre 'neath the centipede and froze his bones till they shattered with a crash, from this battlefield you never will proceed. Oh, Wolfie boy, gone in a flash. To Larry's wrath your death did incite. After the ogre to the dwarf she turned her gaze, even though he had given up the fight. Your mistress was through her anger in a craze. Your early grave will leave our group quite sad. Of your presence we'll surely feel the lack. Till Larry is really rather mad. Oh, Wolfie boy,